Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain mean and variance of negative binomial distribution through moment generating function. Through the moment generating function, I explain these two, mean and variance. First of all, we have discussed how to calculate mean and variance through the moment generating function. Therefore, I'm going directly. Mu1 dash, which itself it gives mean, that is mean is equal to mu1 dash is equal to, which is going to be calculated by d by dt of mxt and substituting t is equal to 0, right? So this is what the formula, so that you can directly start. D by dt of what is mxt? P by 1 minus q e power t the whole power r, and substituting t is equal to 0, for which I write for simplicity, and p power r we can take it outside because differentiation is with respect to t. So therefore t is here in this particular function 1 minus p power t. So therefore it is equivalent to be p power r multiplied by d by dt of, I write this function in the numerator as 1 minus cube into e power t whole power minus r, and substituting t is equal to 0. So right, so it is equivalent to be p power r multiplied by, okay, right, this is p power r multiplied by, if now you start the differentiation, it is not clear, I wait for some time. Yes, now it is clear. So d by dt differentiation with respect to 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r with respect to t, a function x power r f of x whole power r, like then minus r into 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus r minus 1 n into x power n minus 1 multiplied by x power n into x power n minus 1, right, multiplied by 1 minus q e power t differentiation with respect to t, 1 differentiation 0 minus q e power t differentiation minus q into e power t differentiation e power t. So, and now you have to substitute t is equal to 0. So therefore this is what the differentiation. Now substitute t is equal to 0 everywhere, and so that this is minus of minus becomes plus. So therefore this is r into p power r into q multiplied by, this is q I'm taking outside, right? Okay, anyhow, and then 1 minus q into e power t whole bracket, substitute t equals 0, then it is e power 0 is 1, 1 minus q is p, that is p power minus r minus 1 multiplied by minus q, I have written plus, minus of minus becomes plus, and r into q I have written here r into q, and e power 0 is 1. So therefore this is what the terms remains, is equivalent to be, this is p power r, this is p power minus r minus 1. So p power r minus 1, p power r minus 1, r minus r minus 1, plus r minus r will get cancelled, p power minus 1, and it is 1 by p. So r into q divided by p. So r into q, these two terms divided by p. So this is what the mean of negative binomial distribution, rq by p. Clear? This is the first moment we have calculated through the moment generating function. Now we have to calculate mu2 dash. Now I start here mu2 dash, calculation of mu2 dash. Mu2 dash is d square by dt square mxt and substituting t is equal to 0. This is what the formula. Already we have differentiated first one time, so therefore I am writing the formula in this fashion, in this way, is equivalent to be d by dt of mxt, that is mxt is p divided by 1 minus q into e power t the whole power r, and substituting t is equal to 0. This one already we have differentiated one time. Here you see, this is what the differentiation. Exactly, I'm rounding here. This is what the differentiation first time is completed. That is d by dt of p by 1 minus q power t whole power r, in which I'm taking all the constants outside. You see here, you observe this particular term. This is what the first differentiation, d by dt of mxt, not substituting t equals 0, right? You must be very clear, right? Here p power r is a constant, r is a constant, q is a constant, which means does not depend on the differentiation. Differentiation depends on differentiation is with respect to t. So therefore r q minus of minus becomes plus, r q into p power r is equivalent to be, what I am taking is equivalent to be r into, first of all, r into p power r into q, which are what the terms which are constants. Now the remaining terms d by dt of the differentiation for 1 minus q e power t the whole power minus r minus 1 multiplied by e power t. Am I right? And substituting t is equal to 0. You see here, r constant we have taken outside, p power r taken outside, q we have taken outside. Remaining terms 1 minus q e power t whole power minus r minus 1. This is what here. And e power t. So these are the two functions. Let us consider u and v. U dv plus v du. That's all. So therefore, the differentiation, do the differentiation r into p power r into q multiplied by, now the differentiation part for uv, 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus r minus 1, that is u. Differentiation of e power t, it is e power t plus v, that is this, e power t into differentiation of u, v du, and minus r minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus q into e power t whole power minus r minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2, multiplied by 1 minus q e power t differentiation. That is 1 is 0, minus q e power t, minus q into e power t. The differentiation is minus q into e power t. And then you have to substitute t is equal to 0. Substitute t is equal to 0. So which means first of all you substitute t is equal to 0 and then we can simplify. R into p power r into q multiplied by, here you see e power t, that is e power 0 is 1, 1 minus q is p power minus r minus 1, minus r minus 1, e power t is 0, e power 0 is 1, not 0, e power 0 is 1, plus this is 1, minus r minus 1, here we have minus sign, so you multiply this so that it becomes plus r plus 1. Shall I write like this? R minus 1. If you take common minus of r plus 1 multiplied by minus, so it becomes plus and it is r plus 1. Now remaining values, this is 1, this is 1 minus q, because e power 0 is 1. So therefore is 1 minus q. 1 minus q whole power. 1 minus q is p power minus r minus 2 multiplied by, this is q. This is what the term. After substituting t is equal to 0. This is q into e power 0 is 1. Minus q. Minus of already we have multiplied. Minus plus is q. Only q. 1 minus q is p. P power minus r minus 2. Now you multiply the terms with the remaining values. So r into p power r into q into p power minus r minus 1. That's the first value. Plus r into p square into q into p, not p square, p power r, I'm sorry, p power r multiplied by q into q square and r plus 1 multiplied by p power minus r minus 2, right? So therefore is equivalent to be, here p power r, p power minus r will get cancelled, and p power minus 1, it is 1 by p, so r into q by p, the first one, plus this is r into r plus 1 into the constants, r into r plus 1, and p power r, p power minus r get cancelled, and q square here, p power minus 2 here. If you take in denominator, it is q square by p square. So this is what mu 2 dash. This is what mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is equal to rq by p plus r into r plus 1 into q square by p square. This is mu 2 dash. So still we have to calculate variance. Variance is mu 2. This is variance. So mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. Mu 1 dash whole square. So which means what is mu 2 dash? just now we have calculated RQ by P plus R into R plus 1 into Q square by P square minus next mu1 dash. We have calculated mu1 dash is RQ by P, that is mean. You see here mu1 dash RQ by P. So RQ by P is equivalent to be minus RQ by P the whole square. So therefore it is equal. Now you take a common everywhere RQ by P, R into Q by P, RQ by P. I am taking common RQ by P is equivalent to be now RQ by P. If you take common, then is the term 1 plus here R we have taken a common, therefore R plus 1 multiplied by Q by P we have taken a common, therefore 1 more Q by P is there, minus this is RQ by P we have taken a common, so therefore RQ by P is there, RQ by P whole square. So therefore if you do further, take LCM P, that is RQ by P multiplied by take LCM P, so that now it is P in 1 into P, that is P plus R plus 1 into Q, that is RQ plus Q. Next one P is, and we have taken LCM, therefore it is RQ minus RQ. So minus RQ plus RQ cancel, P plus Q is 1. Therefore, it is equivalent to be RQ divided by P into P, P square. P plus Q is 1. Therefore, RQ divided by P into P, P square. Therefore, variance is equal to, variance of the negative binomial distribution is RQ by P square. RQ by P square. Mean is RQ by P. Variance is RQ by P square. Here, mean is less than variance. For negative binomial distribution, one important another property is mean is less than variance. That you please keep in mind. So this is what the calculation of mean and variance through the moment generating function of the negative binomial distribution. Thank you.